So what is meant by truth table? The name itself is stating that when we are going to produce an outcome of true, or in which conditions we are going to produce an outcome of 0. So whatever may be the questions that we are having, with the use of logical operators, always we are going to produce only one answer. It may be true or it may be a 0. Means in C programming language it is going to be 1. If it is true, the answer is going to be 1, and if it is false, the answer is going to be 0. Okay. So what does this truth table is stating? The truth table is a way to understand in what conditions we are going to produce an answer of 0, in what conditions we are going to produce an answer of 1. So that final solution is provided by this truth table. So what does that mean? Let's try to understand this. Q1 and Q2 means the question 1 and question 2. If the question 1 and question 2 both produces an outcome of 0, so question 1 outcome is 0 and question 2 outcome is 0. If the logical answering that we need to produce is using this AND operator, logical AND operator, and both the questions are producing an outcome of 0, then the answer is a 0. So this table is for logical AND. If question 1 is producing an outcome of 0 and question 2 is producing an outcome of true, means 1, then the outcome is also going to be a 0. And similarly, if question 1 is having an answer of 1 and question 2 is 0, so then it is 0. And this is the case that we need to understand. Whenever, in what conditions a logical AND is going to produce an outcome of 1. So this is the condition where a logical AND will produce an outcome of true. So what is that condition? It is if all the answers, here we are having only 2 questions, we may be having multiple questions and all the questions are having a logical AND operation in between. So in such case also, if all the questions produce an outcome of 1, if all the answers for the questions that we are having is producing an outcome of 1, then we are going to get an answer of 1. The outcome is also, the answer for that logical AND expression is going to be 1.